everyone. I'm Om Sumangar Panda from Rajdhani Engineering College. I'm a student of Civil Engineering Department. Today I am going to present my work done during our 7 days training program of ArcGIS. ArcGIS is the powerful geographic information system software developed by ESRI, which specializes in digitization in the maps and all, in the utilities, buildings, roads and all. So GIS is a very useful for planning roads, buildings, utilities and managing land use efficiently. For this project, I prepared a detailed map of our Rajdhani Engineering College campus. First I used a satellite data, which is this one. Then I digitized the data from different features like ground, you can see here, like ground, parking, roads, buildings and the boundary, each with a unique symbol for understanding. As you can see here, everything has a different unique symbols. Apart from digitization, we also did a field survey where we collected ground coordinates of each structure and parcel using the known GPS logger application, which is very useful for normal collecting points for this type of surveys. So this ensures that our map is geo-referenced accurately to the real world. I used the GCS WGS 1984 coordinate system, added the scale bar, north direction and legend to make the map clear and professional. GCS WGS, I mean, if we go to the catalog here and in the home we select new and turn on the shape file, we can create a file name here, whatever file like ground, garden, parking, road, building, etc. And point type, either point we can select point, or point for trees or ponds, or immovable objects or immovable structures, and polyline for roads, polygon for buildings, and also immovable structures like boundaries, etc. And then we go to edit, and WGS 1984 UTM zone 45, which is the UTM zone for Bhubaneswar, Odisha. And through this work I learned practical skills like geo-referencing, digitization, symbolizing features and integrating field survey data into GIS. In conclusion, ArcGIS is an essential tool for civil engineers and urban planners to make better data-driven decisions. So this is my final layout of the project. As you can see here, the raw map of the college campus is given here, and the planned or the digitized campus planning is here, which was designed, I mean, you can literally see the planning or the map in the specific areas like zoos or hospitals, which was generally not designed by any civil engineers, but here you can see how it is designed actually by civil engineers. Therefore here everything is categorized, like here the buildings, like in buildings are in pink colors and the roads are in purple or the gray color, and the parking area is categorized differently, and the ground, here the basketball and other hostel buildings and canteens. Thank you.